Hey man, say man, A Ma Maniere, they got these Jordan collabs on lock. What up, fool? It's your girl KREAM. And baby, A Ma Maniere, they ain't playing, man. So, you already see the box in the background. And no, it ain't no 85 high. It ain't that. It's actually a first for the channel. A Ma Maniere, their version of the Airship. And I had to have this in the collection after hearing the backstory of it and what it meant in the Jordan brand community. It was a must. And which better collab to get than the one with A Ma Maniere? And I keep saying their name because every single time they drop, they really produce. And this one right here, they ain't do no half stepping. This is a nice shoe, quality's good, color palette's great, and I'm happy to have it in the collection. So I'm gonna get us some sunlight because we need to see the details on this in natural light, and I'm gonna slide out the way and y'all stay tuned. These are sitting, so if you want to copy you a pair, you can get these for retail. So stay tuned and we're gonna get right into it. All right, let's start with this beautiful detailed box. You got an all over black box with your Nike and your check branding in white. Of course, you got your R's on there for that registered brand. And then let me get you an angle so you can see how they grace the box all over with that signature A to let you know, yes, it's an A Ma Maniere collection. Oh, they don't half step, I'm telling you. Let's zoom on into the size tag, and you got a Jordan Airship PE SP Summit white and black. I went to the size with these. I'll let y'all know how they fit whenever I put them joints on. Open up the box, and you got a nice A, the signature of the collection. You see those A's everywhere. Then you got a nice card, says Airship. It's an owner's manual. You got your Nike, your check, PE on there. And you got a little background about the shoe. So it says Nike Airship PE, a unique cushioning system. Let me get zoomed in so we can clear that up. Has been built into the Nike Airship PE that brings to the basketball court lightweight and shock absorbency. Usually found only in the best running shoes. A polyurethane encapsulated air sole is located in the heel to reduce impact shock, which can be 4 to 8 times your body weight when landing after a jump. The polyurethane heel midsole is durable foam compound that has been formulated for maximum shock absorbency while ensuring lightweight and flexibility. Together, the air sole and polyurethane midsole provide unmatched comfort and protection against the demands of hardwood. Okay. No half stepping, they say, with these Airships. And I'm not going to read the whole thing, but it's giving you a summary on the outsole of the shoe, the polyurethane midsole, just basically giving you highlights of what they did to create this shoe in Oregon. All right, then you got your paper that got all those A's on it for that A Ma Maniere branding. Y'all know how they do. Y'all know they detail everything. I absolutely love when Jordan Brand takes his time with shoes and takes his time with the quality of the shoe. The black on these look like it would bleed, so I'm happy that they wrap the shoes individually. That way I don't have to worry about any of that black bleeding onto the other color of the shoe. And plus, the paper, the shoe wrapped in the paper just gives you a luxury feel to it. Boom. Zoom y'all out. Boom. Boom. Alright. There we go. All right, of course, we start from the bottom. You know, you got your nice black, aged looking sole. And man, that thing look like it got some wear and tear on it, which makes me happy because when I put my wear and tear on it, it'll look the same. That's what I like about these aged shoes. Then you also got that aged looking midsole, and I like it. I like the way they aged their midsole on the A Ma Maniere. They took a little different touch than Jordan brand has been doing. They went like a lot with the yellowing, and I like it because it don't look like it's all aging the same, which we all know that each part of our shoe will age differently. So I like that. I like what they did there. You got an all white shoe, leather shoe. Then you got nice hits of black on your check. Then you got black around this ankle at the top. Turn around to the heel of the shoe. You got Nike Air on the back. Signature A Ma Maniere A on the back of the other heel. The stitching is in white, and you got that nice aged look coming up on some hits on the shoe around the toe box. They made this thing look like it came brand new 1984. That's how it looks to me. So they came with white laces in there. You got a nice aged looking tongue, yellow tongue with a black Nike tab, your Nike Air, and got A Ma Maniere right there on that tab in black. And like I said, everything just looks nice and aged. And take a look at how I was saying that they did these outsoles. Like they made it look nice and really aged. So when I go do my thing to it, hey, it ain't gonna look affected one bit. I love that about an aged looking shoe. Then we come on here over here and get these shoe strings. Let's see what we got. So we got white already laced in there. Then they gave us a nice black pair of laces. And then they gave us a aged pair of sail laces. And then they also gave us this nice little keychain. Like, you know, they always give out some little hang tags. I was looking for a hang tag, but to my surprise, they gave me something even better, which was a keychain. And it's that signature A for the A Ma Maniere branding. A nice little, look like a brass keychain. So that's definitely a great touch. And knowing my crazy self, I'm probably gonna rock that keychain on this shoe for real, for real. Like, I ain't even joking. How do y'all feel about the Airships, man? Before, I was like, nah, I ain't copping. And I seen a couple pair that were very, very nice. The corporate Airship is another nice collab. So I can see myself maybe getting another pair or two in the future. Want to see how it feels first. And then you got your size right there in the sock liner of the shoe. Boom, big 7.5 print. And oh, I ain't even noticed that before, but you also got A's. See if we can zoom in some more. Man, you got A's, small little A's, gracing the whole sock liner. That is crazy. Did not notice that feature before. Took that insole out, and you got that same A pattern gracing the whole insole. You got a nice Jumpman stitched into the insole at the heel, at the back of your foot. Then you got a nice 365 also stitched up under that Jumpman. They went crazy, man. My A Ma Maniere collection is growing. Hoping to get the 2 pair of 5s that's coming out very soon, day before my birthday. That would really, really make my day if I can grab those. A couple more December. December is real light for me. November is real heavy with releases. So y'all will be seeing me a lot this month. This is all I got for you today. The A Ma Maniere Airship. And per expected, no half-stepping. It's your girl KREAM. Kicks rule everything around me. Y'all be patient. Your time is coming. I'm out.